How to install ROS Melodic and Ubuntu 18 LTS, or also called Bionic. Configuration of the Ubuntu repositories. Go to Software and Updates, Ubuntu Software, and select Main, Universe, Restricted and Multiverse. Configuration of sources.list. This allows your computer to accept software from packages.ros.org. Key configuration: ROS installation. Update the list of repositories. Update installed packages to their latest versions. Complete installation. ROS, RQT, Reviz, generic libraries, 2D 3D simulators, and 2D 3D perception tools. Setting the environment. It is recommended that ROS environment variables be automatically added to your bash session every time you open a new console. To do this, use the following command. Dependencies for building packages. To create and manage your work environments, there are several tools that are distributed separately. For example, rosinstall is a command that allows you to easily download many root trees for ROS packages with a single command. To install this tool and other dependencies to build ROS packages, use the following command. Initializing system dependencies. Before using the ROS tools, it is necessary to initialize ROSDEP. To install it, use the following command. Use the following commands to initialize ROSDEP. Create a work environment. Use the following commands to create a Catkin work environment. The catkin make command is very useful when working with Catkin work environments. The first time it is run in the workbench, it creates a cmacalists.txt link in the src folder. If you search your current directory, you should now have a build and devel folder. Before continuing, run the following command. To be sure that the work environment is superimposed, it must be validated that the environment variable ROS package path includes the directory where we are. Thanks for watching. If this video tutorial has been useful to you, don't forget to subscribe, like and the little bell. See you in the next video.